Hello and welcome back to Next English Podcast. Have you ever watched an English movie and understood most of it? But when someone asks you to speak English, your mind suddenly goes blank. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world face the same problem. They can understand English while listening or reading, but speaking feels difficult. The good news is that this problem has a solution. In today's video, we'll explore 7 common mistakes that stop you from speaking English confidently. And you'll learn simple, practical solutions that you can start using today. So let's get started. Mistake 1. Translating everything in your head. This is probably the biggest reason. Many learners first think in their native language, translate it into English, check the grammar, and then finally speak. That process is simply too slow. Real conversations move quickly. Instead of translating, start learning English in phrases. For example, I'm hungry. I'm tired. I don't know. Let's go. Practice these sentences until they become automatic. The more ready-made English phrases you know, the less you'll need to translate. Mistake 2. Being afraid of making mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they want to speak perfect English. But perfection doesn't exist. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes every day. Remember this. Every mistake is a lesson. Every conversation makes you better. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now. Confidence grows through practice, not through waiting. Mistake 3. Not speaking every day. You cannot become a good speaker by only watching videos. Listening helps. Reading helps. But speaking is a skill. And every skill improves with practice. Try speaking English for just 10 minutes every day. Describe your room. Talk about your day. Explain what you're doing while cooking or walking. Small daily practice creates big improvements. Mistake 4. Learning too many words without using them. Many learners memorize hundreds of vocabulary words. But after a few days, they forget most of them. Why? Because they never use them. Whenever you learn a new word, create 3 sentences with it. Use it in a conversation. Repeat it several times. Active use helps your brain remember much better than memorization alone. Mistake 5. Thinking too much about grammar. Grammar is important, but during a conversation, don't try to remember every grammar rule. Focus on communicating your message. Children don't study grammar before they speak. They listen, copy, practice, and improve naturally. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Grammar will improve over time. Mistake 6. Not listening enough. Good speakers are always good listeners. If you don't hear natural English regularly, it's difficult to speak naturally. Listen to English podcasts. Watch interviews. Watch English YouTube videos. Repeat what native speakers say. This technique is called shadowing. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Mistake 7. Giving up too early. Many learners study English for 2 or 3 weeks and expect amazing results. Language learning takes time. Some days you'll improve quickly. Other days you'll feel stuck. That's completely normal. Keep going. Consistency always beats motivation. Even 15 minutes. Every day is more powerful than studying for 3 hours once a week. 7-Day Speaking Challenge. Here's a simple challenge for you. Day 1. Introduce yourself. Day 2. Describe your room. Day 3. Talk about your daily routine. Day 4. Describe your favorite movie. Day 5. Explain your future goals. Day 6. Speak for 2 minutes without stopping. Day 7. Record yourself and compare it with Day 1. You'll be surprised by your progress. Final tips. Remember these simple rules. Think in English. Speak every day. Don't fear mistakes. Learn phrases. Listen carefully. Practice shadowing. Stay consistent. These 7 habits will make a huge difference in your English speaking journey. Outro. That's all for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. Don't forget to subscribe to Next English podcast and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every English speaker was once a beginner. See you in the next episode.